children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is some words in music and their meaning. A solo. Solo is a single vocal or instrumental performance. Duet. A duet is double or two vocal or instrumental performance. Trio. A trio is triplet or three vocal or instrumental performance. Quartet. A quartet is quadruple or four vocal or instrumental performance. Ensembles. An ensemble is a small group of vocal or instrumental performance. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.